Welcome to another video from OutdoorRoomIdeas.com. We're going to look at the instructions for assembly of the Brookbury patio set in this video. There's been a lot of concern because people haven't been getting their instructions or the size of the hardware. A special thanks to the pictures from Anna, a reader that purchased this set from information that I provided. The pictures are as clear as I can make them from Anna. Hopefully they still do help. The page one will go over the parts list for the two sofas. They're very similar. One will have arms on each end and the other will only have an arm on one side. So you can see where everything gets put together. This is the nuts and bolts and what bolts go where. Like I said, the two sofas are very, very similar. They have bolts to hold the sections together and adjustable feet. And then the last thing you do is you'll add the cushions. The parts list for the two-arm sofa, it doesn't look any different than the one-arm sofa. Just the assembly is very similar. Hopefully you could read the screw sizes if you didn't get the hardware kit. And it also has the adjustable feet. It gives you some phone numbers if you can read that, but I doubt if you're going to find anybody answering the phone this time. The ottoman, the two ottomans, will be very little assembly. You just got to add the feet and the cushions. It shows you the bolt size for the feet to put through the middle of the feet and attach it. Just a little warning page. I did take every page that she gave me and put them in this video. So if there's information you do need, hopefully you'll find it somewhere. Now the coffee table, which is a high coffee table, all you got to do is add the legs to each end of the top, and with the 8 screws that are mentioned here. And then the last step would be secure your two sofas together. If you do want to do that, some will leave the sofas apart. You don't have to put them together, but it makes for one big couch or two separate ones. Visit my site at OutdoorRoomIdeas.com for more ideas, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive my latest videos in the future. Like this video and leave me a comment. Visit my YouTube channel for more outdoor room ideas and patio furniture and decor needs for your patio outdoor areas. And thank you for watching. Until next time, this is John signing off.